Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Venmo payment decline. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in help.venmo.com, and that will lead you to the Venmo help center. Now what you need to do is select the option that says payments and transfers, and once you tap on it or click on it, you will be redirected to payments and transfers. Now all you gotta do is select declines, and once you do that, here you'll have three options. Simply select payment declined, and once you do that, here there might be two reasons that your Venmo payment has been declined. So the first is your bank or card issuer is declining the transaction, or the payment attempt has triggered one of the Venmo's automated security flags. So what you can do now is just simply scroll down, and then you'll find this was submit a request option. Simply click on it, and then you'll be redirected to a contact us or contact support or Venmo support. Now all you gotta do is fill up this form, and then on this tell us what's up. All you gotta do now is write in the problem that you're having, and once you do that, if possible, add a screenshot as well, and then click on submit. And after a couple of business days, the Venmo contact support team will reach you and fix your issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.